carrot and coriander soup. So I've got my, keep it simple, so I've got some onions, I've got some carrot, I've got some garlic, and I'm going to use a little bit of potato in this one as well. And I've got some coriander that I'm going to put through afterwards. I've got a little bit of a, tiny bit of a stock cube, a little bit of salt and a little bit of sugar. Right, pan on. A little bit of sunflower oil in the pan. We're just going to get the pan hot, and then I'm just going to roughly dice the onions, like so. So this is a small, we've got a small Spanish onion here. I've also got a little bit of a red onion that I'm going to use. No reason for using that, it was just hanging around, so I just use it up. So, onions in, sizzling lovely. Give it a stir. Okay. 2 cloves of garlic. I'm just going to slice the garlic up quite finely. Get that in the pan, like so. Carrots. So I'm just going to slice my carrot in half. Okay, in half. And this one as well. Keep an eye on the onions. We don't want them to cook too much. Just turn it off the heat for now, for a few seconds, just whilst I'm cutting the carrot down. So, peel the carrot, I've cut it in half, and now I'm just going to cut it into smaller pieces. Little bit more, got a little bit more. Oh, man overboard, everything back, there we go. Cut this down as well. Nice and small. Okay, pan back on. Onions in there cooking away. Garlic's in there cooking away lovely. Got the carrots, carrots chopped down. The carrots in the pan. Beautiful. And then I'm going to put a little bit of potato, maybe half of that one. So you're going to cut that smaller pieces. Like so, nice and thin, so it's going to cook evenly with the carrots. So I'll drop that in. Try not to drop it on the floor. Okay. Now we're going to cook that out for a few minutes. A little bit of salt. Da-na-na-na-na. Little bit of sugar. Sugar, 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 sugar. Honey, honey. Sugar, sugar. You're my kind of girl. Okay, so I've got a teaspoon. Teaspoon of sugar. Drop that in there, don't want too much. Lovely. Okay. So what I'm going to do now, I've got a little bit of a stock cube. Half a stock cube. Remember the stock cube is quite salty, so just be careful not to add too much salt into a stock cube. So that's the carrots, onions, garlic, potato all cooking down. I'm now going to add, that's 500 millilitres of water, pour that in. So I've added, that's 400, so it's going to take 500. 500 millilitres of water, a little bit of stock cube. Now I'm just going to leave that there, I'm going to let that boil away for about 10 minutes and then we'll come back and we'll finish it off. Right, so my carrot soup has been boiling away on there for about 10 minutes now. That's the onions, garlic, potato, some carrot. So what we do is, now I'm going to blend the soup. I'm just going to drop some coriander in it. I've got some picked coriander there that I've washed and I've picked. I'm just going to drop that in there now. And blitz that in there. So remember, when we're blitzing hot liquids, do it slowly, pulse it a little bit. It's hot, we don't want it to splash everywhere. Right, can you see that there? I'm just going to puree it down, make sure you get it all blitzed. Oh honey, honey. Sugar, sugar, ba, 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 ba. My kind of girl. Honey, honey, da, da, da. Oh, sugar, sugar. As you can see, that's starting to blitz down now. Lovely. Follow the camera. Right, let's get all the lumps out. Let's get all the chunky bits of carrot out there. Give it another taste. See what it tastes like. Carrot and coriander soup. So you could finish it with some butter or some cream if you so wished. However, I'm just going to keep this one pure. Okay, that's that done. So this one is dairy free, gluten free. Let's put that there for now to get it in a bowl. See that there, let's just do it with a spoon, just stop it splashing. Give it one more taste actually. Coriander really adds that extra flavour to it. And as you can see, the coriander is nicely blended into the soup. So you've got nice little pieces of coriander in there. So there we have it. So that's my gluten-free, vegan, dairy-free carrot and coriander soup. Thank you.